Good morning, everyone, and thank you for choosing Market Briefing, market analysis, and financial news. Every day, our goal is to provide you with a thorough and knowledgeable analysis of the most relevant financial news to help you navigate the complex economic landscape. Let's begin our daily review. Financial news, August 21, 2023. Global markets struggle due to a perfect storm. Rise in global bond yields. Declining Chinese economy. Imminent prospect of higher interest rates in the United States. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index was pushed into bear market territory, marking a significant decline that left investors worldwide grappling with uncertainty. Bitcoin experiences a fall. The cryptocurrency world witnessed a dramatic event with Bitcoin, the leading digital currency, dropping to $26,212, an 11% decrease from the previous week's value. This sharp decline was caused by news that Elon Musk's SpaceX had sold its 2021 Bitcoin investments. Despite this drop, Bitcoin maintains a year-to-date gain of approximately 57%, highlighting its resilience in a volatile market. Twitter might remove the block function. Twitter, now called X under Elon Musk's ownership, is considering removing the user blocking function, except for direct messages. This revelation has sparked a debate within the user community and among critics who argue that this function plays a crucial role in protecting users from offensive content and stalking. Chinese central bank cuts rates. The Chinese central bank made a significant move by reducing the one-year lending rate by 10 basis points, bringing it from 3.55% to 3.45%. While this rate cut is expected to benefit households and businesses, it has slightly disappointed economists' expectations. At the same time, Chinese financial regulators convened in a video conference to emphasize the importance of addressing debt-related risks at the local government level, highlighting growing concerns about China's economic stability. Tech stocks continue to decline. The technology sector endured another week of losses, with notable declines including Tesla, which saw its longest losing streak of the year, marked by a 1.7% drop on Friday. Cathie Wood's ARK Innovation ETF also faced a challenging week, recording a decline of approximately 4.7% for the third consecutive week, reflecting the difficulties of high-tech funds. Major indices, including the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite, reported significant losses during the week, underscoring persistent volatility in the technology sector. Are stocks heading into a new paradigm? As markets navigate this period of uncertainty, investors are reflecting on whether we have entered a new era characterized by increased volatility, where stocks may experience sharp gains followed by steep declines. However, investment firm Grantham Mayo Van Otterloo, GMO, offers a more optimistic outlook. GMO predicts that the U.S. stock market will offer an average return of 6.5% until 2030, outperforming other major asset classes. This suggests that historically, stocks have shown long-term growth potential, providing profit opportunities in turbulent times for resilient investors. Before proceeding with our analysis, we would like to remind you that your support is very important to us. If you enjoy this video and find our content helpful and engaging, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. This helps us grow and provide you with even more quality content. Now, let's get back to the news on the financial markets and the latest updates. Surprising move by the Chinese Central Bank. The week began with an unexpected decision by the People's Bank of China, PBOC. During the Asian session, the PBOC announced a reduction in the one-year lending rate, LPR, from 3.55% to 3.45%, a 10 basis point cut, surprising markets that had anticipated a 15 basis point reduction. Equally surprising was the decision to keep the 5-year LPR unchanged at 4.20%. These moves by the Chinese central bank had immediate consequences, with Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index dropping nearly 2% on the day and Shanghai's Composite Index losing 1%. In a weekend statement, the PBOC indicated its commitment to coordinate financial support to address local government debt-related issues. Strength of the U.S. dollar continues. The U.S. dollar index, DXY, remains strong, recording gains for the fifth consecutive week. At the beginning of the week, the DXY held its position around 103.50. Meanwhile, yields on the benchmark 10-year U.S. Treasury bonds remained close to 4.3%. Despite the strength of the dollar, U.S. stock index futures opened the week with relatively flat trading. Major currency pairs and their variations. The U.S. dollar gains on all fronts, with a 0.62% increase against the euro, a 0.78% increase against the British pound, and a significant 1.46% increase against the key events this week. U.S. existing home sales, Tuesday. Chicago Fed's Austin Goolsbee speaks, Tuesday. Eurozone S&P Global Services and Manufacturing PMI, Consumer Confidence, Wednesday. UK S&P Global, SIPS UK Manufacturing PMI, Wednesday. US New Home Sales, S&P Global Manufacturing PM, Wednesday. US Initial Jobless Claims, Durable Goods, Thursday. Kansas City Fed's Annual Economic Policy Symposium in Jackson Hole begins, Thursday. Japan Tokyo CPI, Friday. U.S. University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment, Friday. Fed Chair Jerome Powell, ECB President Christine Lagarde to address Jackson Hole Conference, Friday. Some of the main moves in markets. Stocks. S&P 500 futures were little changed as of 1:53 p.m. Tokyo time. The S&P 500 was little changed Friday. Nasdaq 100 futures rose 0.1%. The Nasdaq 100 fell 0.1%. Japan's Topix rose 0.4%. Australia's S&P/ASX 200 fell 0.2%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng fell 1.4%. The Shanghai Composite fell 0.4%. Euro Stoxx 50 futures were little changed. Currencies. The Bloomberg Dollar Spot Index was little changed. The euro was little changed at $1.0880. The Japanese yen was little changed at 145.38 per dollar. The offshore yuan fell 0.3% to 7.3273 per dollar. The Australian dollar was little changed at $0.6402. Cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin fell 0.7% to $26,050.25. Ether fell 0.8% to $1,675.57. Bonds. The yield on 10-year treasuries advanced 2 basis points to 4.28%. Japan's 10-year yield advanced 1.5 basis points to 0.640%. Australia's 10-year yield advanced 2 basis points to 4.25%. Commodities. West Texas Intermediate crude rose 0.8% to $81.87 a barrel. Spot gold rose 0.2% to $1,892.63 an ounce. In conclusion, we'd like to thank you for watching Market Briefing, market analysis, and financial news. If you enjoyed our insights and found the information helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel to stay updated with future analyses. Thank you again for your support, and we'll see you soon with more interesting news. Remember, the information in this video is purely informational and does not constitute investment advice. Always consult with a professional before making financial decisions.